Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you want to have a better workout? I want to show you these workout gloves from LIFECT. I really like these for several reasons. These are a great option if you are looking for a way to get a little bit more grip on your weights, your dumbbells, your barbells, your pull-up bar, whatever. And also if you're trying to prevent getting a lot of calluses or tearing on your skin, these are a really great way to help out with that. So these have some nice features. They are breathable. This part here is mesh, so it is really nice and cool. It's also got a big open area so your hands don't get overly hot. There is a Velcro strap to keep everything in place, so of course it's adjustable too to fit to your size. They are nice and stretchy, so they really move with you. And the thumb actually has a sort of terry cloth fabric on it, so it kind of helps you to wipe your sweat off when you're really sweaty. There is some nice padding on the underside, so that really makes your workout a lot more comfortable and you're able to lift heavier weights or work out for longer. So I'm a big fan of these gloves. I think they're a great option if you're looking for something breathable, lightweight, that is going to keep you comfortable on your next workout. I would definitely recommend, and that's my point of view.